Hey people, one has to really congratulate the team at Netflix, yeah, the kind of range of shows, because there is a show called The Casketeers, and it's all about, it follows the lives of this couple who run a funeral home, like, in a funeral home in New Zealand. So it is so unique, yeah, and the person who runs it, this chubby, podgy gentleman, I mean, he's dealing with death on a daily basis because that's his job. Like, it's like a undertaker. Like, but that's what he runs the whole funeral home. But the gentleman is able to retain his sense of humor, and like, his some people have a very funny style of talking. Yeah, like no, I've been told I have a very like weird style of talking. But when you watch the show, you realize that humor can be found in these in the most unlikely places. So try and catch it, people. It's called The Casketeers, and it's on Netflix. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe. See, I'm so careful to stay within the 1 minute range or 1 minute 10 seconds. That's it. So thanks for watching, people.